Hi, I'm Jason Lewis, and I'm a Vice President with the Alpine Group. I've specialized in reimbursement and payer positions with biotech and device companies for the past 4 years. When I recruit for a client, I like to work targeted, efficient, and guard my client's time by sending them great candidates. From the beginning of the search, I make sure I understand what they would consider an ideal candidate. Most times, candidates' first impressions of a company are through a recruiter. I invest a lot of time up front to ensure the first impression is a great one. The great candidates ask detailed questions about the company, and I make sure I can answer those. I get to know the company, the products, and go as far as listen to the quarterly earnings reports. I want to make a positive first impression and sell the opportunity to passive candidates. My recruiting philosophy with candidates is relatively simple. I believe recruiting should be built on relationships rather than one-call recruiting calls. I want to invest time with candidates, get to know their background, but most importantly, I want to know what types of opportunities they're interested in. I don't want to waste somebody's time if a position is going to be a step back for them, but rather call when I have the type of company they're looking for and want to work for, and a position that would be a great step in their career. If I've called a candidate for the first time and we find out I don't have one that's a good fit, I really don't want to waste that call, so I spend time with them to find out what their next step is in their career and only call them when something would be of interest to them. My definition of success for my job is to find great candidates for great companies and build long-term relationships with both.